Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm admin 1 of NEFX. Today we are doing DanSkiMan's Runaround 2 version 1.0. Let's see how it is. Again, that glitch where the weapons don't seem to register for the bots. But at any rate, it's a good chance to explore. I think I already like this the most out of any of them so far. At least by DanSkiMan. Because I've enjoyed all of them, but this one seems to have a lot going on here. Like there's a bit of a maze with different directions that enemies can attack from, but it's not a totally linear, narrow maze the whole way through. There are little breaks like here. Let's see what's at the bottom of this pool. Yeah, and multi-floor action. They're like different little big peepholes through which you can possibly attack enemies. Let's see what's down here. Bearing in mind, of course, that again these are invisible, these enemies, so they probably won't show up on the radar ever. So I'll have to periodically turn off the auto maps to see them, although they seem pretty preoccupied with each other. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite DanSkiMan level so far. It's too bad the bots are bugged out. Oh, let's go hunting. Oops. Yeah, this is definitely a good place to converge in some action. It's really too bad in a way that a lot of the main marathon players don't want to play stuff like this. Well, they will purposefully stay out if they know that I'm even hosting something from the archives, regardless of how much I might recommend it. Although, then again, I do recommend pretty much everything. Because I just recommend Marathon in general. Oh, I didn't notice that was a teleporter. First I thought it was an elevator. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I think people are missing out by skipping out on this sort of stuff. Because it's kind of magical. Shit. Yep, just march right on to your doom. Alright, well that's it for today. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will explore... Let's see which level. It'll be Snipe World 2 version 1.0. That should be pretty interesting. I'm sure there will be plenty of situations for not just stuff like rocket launchers, but also magnums even. Perhaps dual magnums. We'll see. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.